everyone, greetings to you wherever you're watching me from. In today's video, I'll be updating you guys on my weight loss journey. I'll be updating you guys each and every day I take up my exercise on this particular channel. So I've decided to add this to my fashion and hairstyle channel. This is what you are saying now, and I'm taking up the 1,000 rope jump challenge for my weight loss. In addition to this prescription like the lemon drinks, the cocoa juice, ginger, and those stuffs, I'm also taking it up to see if I will lose my weight. So you guys just stay tuned and watch this video with me. My first attempt actually went wrong, but I never gave up. I decided to continue with what I have in mind, and as you can see, I'm in the process. I'm just doing the jump freely, and yes, I like it. I'm glad I was able to take my first 200 jumps without stopping, without getting tired. Like, that was so nice of me. I never knew I can go this far. Like, I actually tried this challenge before and like I gave up, guys. I was tired, but this one I need to continue. I have to get to the roots of this, honestly.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of time.
Oh my god, here I've decided to make it a little bit fun. Can you imagine? Oh my goodness. Well, the thing is, I'm not giving up until I get to the root of this. This exercise will continue on daily basis.
I'm just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it.
At this point, I became really tired. I became tired. And I said to myself, I'm not going to let go of this rope. I need to continue what I'm doing. But less on the way, I decided to take a walk. I decided to walk around in order to relax myself before I continue.
To the top, I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough.
So guys, I've really tried. Basically, this is the life of a village girl. This life in the village. So I decided to take this challenge and see, I'm tired, if it will work out for me. And in today's video, I've tried about 1,000 jumps. Yeah, it's about 1,000 jumps today, and I'll continue to update you guys on my weight loss journey. If this is really working, I'll let you guys know. So stay connected with me. Forget about my hair tie. This is basically a village vlog. Yeah. So I decided to add my weight loss journey to these fashion and hairstyles of mine. Okay, so pardon it. I'll get you guys updated each and every day throughout my weight loss journey.